Tired of hunting for crypto payment options on Namecheap? Here is exactly how to top up your account with Ethereum in under 2 minutes. I know that feeling. You want to pay for your domain or hosting with crypto, but the payment page looks like it is hiding something. It is not. The option is there, just tucked away in a spot you would not expect. By the end of this walkthrough, you will go from frustrated and searching to confidently funding your account with Ethereum in just a few clicks. All right, here's the plan. First, log into your Namecheap account. Then, we are going to walk through the exact menu path to find the top-up feature. And once we get there, I will show you where to select Ethereum as your payment method. Let us start at the homepage. So go ahead and pull up the Namecheap website. The main homepage is where we begin. Now, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button that says Account. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a drop-down menu. From that list, you want to click on Profile. This is your personal settings area where you manage your account details. Once you are on the profile page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You will see a section labeled Billing. Click on that. Now we are in the billing area, and here is where most people get stuck. You might be looking for a direct crypto checkout button, but it is not quite that obvious. What you want to do is look in the top section of this page for a button that says Top Up. Click on that. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. The top-up page will show you a few options for adding funds. By default, it probably shows some credit card choices, but what you need to do is look for a drop-down or a selector that says something like Ethereum and more. Click on that. A small list will pop up, but it might only show 1 or 2 options at first. This is the trick. Look for a link that says See the full list here. Click on that link. And now, the complete list of supported cryptocurrencies will expand. You will see a bunch of options. Go ahead and scroll down until you find Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin to select it. Wait a second, this is the part where I need you to pay close attention. I know we want Ethereum, and I promise we will get there, but by selecting Bitcoin first, we are actually tricking the system into showing us the full crypto payment flow. Once you have clicked on Bitcoin, you will see a button that says Next. Click that. Now you are on the payment amount page. Here is where you enter how much money you want to add to your Namecheap account balance. Type in your desired amount. I usually add a little extra to cover any network fees, but that is your call. Once you have entered the amount, click on the highlighted button to proceed. This will take you to a review screen where you can double-check everything. Make sure the amount looks right. Then click on that highlighted button again to confirm. And here is the really important part. On the next screen, you will finally see an option to change your payment currency. You can now switch from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Select Ethereum, and the page will generate a wallet address and the exact amount of ETH you need to send. Send your Ethereum to that address, and within a few minutes, your Namecheap account will be topped up and ready to go. So there you have it. From digging through confusing menus to successfully funding your account with Ethereum. Now you can pay for your domains and hosting exactly how you want to. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.